Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. Before we proceed to the class, first of all, I want to give you some important information about online classes. My dear students, your online classes started from 6th April to 29th April. This all video will be available in the school website till 10th June. If any video missed for any day, you will be watch the video through school website. Let's proceed to the class. In this month, we learned one chapter from Beehive and two poem and one chapter from Moment. First chapter from Beehive, the fun they had, and one poem, first poem, the road not taken, second poem, wind, and we start after then Moment. First chapter, the lost child. Now we revise, or to say review, the chapters which we had completed in the month of April. Let's proceed with Beehive book chapter 1. The Fun They Had is written by Isaac Asimov. This story is about futuristic story set in 2157 AD. The story is about what the school and the education system will look like in 23rd century. Whole education way completely computerized. They don't have school. They have a special study where a teacher teaches them. The computer teacher is programmed and adjusts according to the need of each child. Now and then the computer teacher develops some fault which is fixed by a county inspector. Both Tom and Maggie at the look found by Tom and his alter. They wonder at the book as they read book on screen of computer teacher. They thought that computer teacher is boring. She doesn't like mechanical teacher and learning. She is also wonder how much fun would they have in a school. She is still thinking about the old school they had. Her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighbors laughing, shouting into the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom and going together at the end of the day. This school are far better than school of today. In this way, we complete the fun they had. First chapter of Beehive. After then we start the road not taken. The road not taken is written by Robert Frost. The road not taken poem is related to life, the career option we have in life. The road not taken, the poem describes someone standing at the path or turning point in a road in the wood trying to decide which path he has going to take. He looks down one road as far as he can see, and after thinking of another minute he decides to take the other. After then, because it looked like nobody seems that way, yet he was curious. After then the poet say that he took the other. He see the road most of the time. After then he choose the other path, and he thought that the road also as the same as the first one. He was doing far, both the path were similar. The both had grass on it. Many people not use the path. The poet thought that here poet shows that he was adventurous for him and not used by many people. After some time, okay, both the path is similar and he realized that time both the path were same and walked over. In this way, we complete the road not taken poem. Now we start wind. Wind. This poem is written by Subramanya Bharati. In this poem, poet had described the power of wind. Be strong in mind and body. The first part of the wind described the action of the wind. The poet as the friend. To come softly, he requests the wind not to break the shutter. The poet described the power of wind in this poem. The wind is compared with force in the poem. The wind can easily break window, pond. When it blows strongly, the books from shelf fell down and turned part into the pages and tears pages. It feels wind enjoy his power and laugh at weaker. Doors, woods, and heart are not safe for his strength. Wind is strong enough to decorate them all. In this way, the summary of the poem, the wind is dominant only on weaker. It cannot harm stronger object. Now we complete wind explanation. Now there is moment chapter, the lost child. The story highlight a child, a love of his parents. It is a festival of the spring. Everyone's going to festival. The child is very unhappy, very happy and excited because he is also going to fair with his parents. On the way of fair, the child is fascinated by natural beauty. He get attracted to various things, but he didn't ask for this thing because he knew that his parents cannot afford all those things. He was busy in watching the fair. Suddenly he noticed that his parents are there. He saw a snake charmer. He liked the music. He liked the snake and wanted to stay there sometime, but he moved on with his parents because such music was not approved by his parents. Seeing the merry-go-round the first time, he expressed his desire, but there was no reply. He was watching. He rounded. Suddenly, his parents were not there. He searched for his parents here and there. He was lost. He started crying. He ran toward. He was lost. Ushering, there was a big crowd. In this crowd, he was pushed back. A kind-hearted man heard his crying. He stopped and lifted the child in his arm. He tries to soothe him by offering all these things which he desired, but he was crying continuously for his parents. Everything but the child refused to accept them. This thing has lost their charm. Now child wanted only his parents. Parents are too much precious for us. We all love our parents. In this way, we had completed our Beehive first chapter, 2 poem and moment 1 chapter. I hope you all understood this all chapter. Now in next part, we proceed to assignment. This assignment, you will do it in summer vacation. I know you all are too much excited about it, but assignment is an important part that you must have completed. Assignment work scheduled to be done and presented after school reopen. And in the best way, you present your assignment with good handwriting and neat way. And most important part, you write your assignment in your English fair copy. All assignment you complete in your English fair copy. Now we start the assignment. Answer the following question. First, do you agree with Maggie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reason for your answer. Do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reason for your answer. Question number 2. What is the theme of the poem The Road Not Taken? Question second. What is the theme of the poem The Road Not Taken? Third. Why does the poet want the wind to come slowly? Fourth, a child longs for toys, sweets and other things, but not at the cost of his parents. Comments. My dear student, this all question you write it in your English fair copy, and this all question you write it in only one copy. Not need to make here 2 copies. Now writing skill, diary entry. Question number first. You are Rahul, a student of class 9th. Your father has been transferred to another city, resulting in a change of for you. You have been attending your new school for a week now. Write a diary entry in 50 to 60 words on your thought and feeling about your old school and new. First, you are Rahul, a student of class 9. Your father has been transferred to another city, resulting in a change of for you. You have been attending your new school for a week now. Write a diary entry in 50 to 60 words on your thought and feeling about your old school and new school. Second question, you are Rohan, studying in class 9th. You went on a morning walk and see a boy drowning in the water. You saved the boy. The crowd appreciated you. Write a diary entry for the incident in about 50 to 60 words. Number second, you are Rohan, studying in class 9th. You went on a morning walk and saw a boy drowning in the water. You saved the boy. The crowd appreciated you. Write a diary entry for the incident in about 50 to 60 words. Now notice, dear parents, hope your ward had taken benefit of the online classes held in April. As this was the first time, there were some ups and downs. We regret for the same. We are sorry for the inconvenience, if any, for the benefit and welfare of our dear student. These videos will be available in the school website till 10th June. You can cover up the loss occurred for classes you have missed for any day. It's a humble request to kindly ask your child to watch the video through the school website, because this will assign attendance to your child. We are extremely thankful for your kind cooperation and accept the same in future too. Stay home, stay safe. Regards, English teacher. Enjoy your summer. Keep learning and complete your English assignment. Thank you.